Hi and welcome to OneSearch. We are going to talk about how you can limit your search criteria within OneSearch. So we've already signed in, as you can see right here. I've already plugged in my search, which is young adult literature, and I've received my search results. I have over 1 million search results, which is maybe a little too many. So how can I limit that? Over here on the left-hand side, we have refine by. So we can go here and look at availability. Maybe I just want to do peer-reviewed journals, and that's going to pull up only peer-reviewed journals now. So those are the only ones. And you can see that's already dropped it by quite a bit, just selecting that. So it's going to show us our active filters. But that's not all. We can continue to go down, and let's say we just want to go with articles. We don't want any books. We just want to limit it to peer-reviewed articles. So again, it's going to refine our search under that selection, and it's about the same. That didn't limit us as much as the previous one, but I want to add one more filter. So you can see there are other filters you can do by subject, journal title, author, language, database, but I'm going to come up here and do publication date, because 1600 to 2019 is a little too much. So I am actually going to do 2014 to 2019, which is the next, is only a 5-year span. So I'm going to click refine, and now I'm only going to get peer-reviewed articles that have been published within the last 5 years. So you can see we started out with over 1 million results, and now we are down to about 180,000, which is still a lot, but I have chosen a very broad topic. Young adult literature is a very broad topic, so even with my active filters, I'm still going to have a lot of results. But this does help us narrow it down to what we are looking for in terms of our materials. So you would set whatever filters it is you need off to the side. It'll show you what your filters are, and you can click this to reset it back to the beginning and go back to that over 1 million results. But this is a great way to limit what we get and only get things we're really looking for. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call me at the library. Thank you.